In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Dodge Challenger key fob. This key fob here was used on Challengers between 2008 and 2014, and it just takes one of these CR2032 batteries to run. You can get one of these online for just a couple of bucks. I will put a link down in the description to get one on Amazon, and then it's just super easy to follow along, change the battery yourself. Don't need to pay anyone to do it, just follow along. First thing is to take a flathead screwdriver or similar tool and right down where this key ring attaches, you can see I'm going to insert my tool in the seam kind of right on this corner. There's this little indentation where the keyhole goes and the seam, and we're going to push in just like that until it kind of sticks in there. See, from here we can just twist, turn like a key, and we've started to open up key fob. Really easy, don't need to damage anything. Just work your way down the opening now, twisting until you feel it kind of click out, and it's really easy to just take that, put it to the side. Now just carefully remove this rubber component here, set that to the side, and look at that, there's our battery. Can just go under it with the flathead screwdriver and lift it right out. You can see it's a CR2032. When you're putting your battery back in, make sure that this positive side goes face down, just like it was before. And you do need to kind of push it first towards this metal component, get that down into place, and then click the other side in. Now we just put it all back together. Carefully put the rubber part back on until it sits there flush without moving, and then go ahead and click the face of the device back on. And with that, you're all set. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, go ahead and leave us a like or a comment. And for more information on how to change the battery for any of your key fobs for any make or model, check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube channel or visit fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.